Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari browser not loading websites properly on iPhone after iOS 16.1.1 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, if you want workaround fix, so workaround fix is close the Safari and open again and it will be fixed. And if you want to permanent fix your issue, so open the Safari browser, search beta.apple.com. so after this, open this, tap on sign in. So after, wait for it. So here is the sign in page. Sign in your Apple ID here. So here's the Apple website. So scroll down, tap on enroll your iOS device. Scroll down again and tap on download profile. Tap on allow, close, go back, open settings, tap on profile downloaded, tap on install, enter your iPhone passcode, install, not now, done, go back, tap on general, and then tap on software update here. So guys, what you need to do, you need to update your iPhone on iOS 16.2 beta 2. So I have also installed iOS 16.2 beta 2 and my issue has been fixed on Safari browser. So guys, here is the simple solution to fix the issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.